Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having valuable features in high demand. Features also include keyless entry, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Accord. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, moonroof, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, hands-free communication. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.